In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eBay for help efficiently and effectively. Whether you're encountering an issue with a recent purchase or need some guidance through eBay's myriad of services, reaching out to eBay's customer support is a streamlined process designed to get you the answers you need. To begin, let's navigate to the heart of the action. Open your web browser and go to eBay's help page by typing into the address bar www.ebay.com/help. Once the page is loaded, you'll find yourself on a hub of information and support tailored to fit various needs that may arise when using eBay. Now, look for the section on the page that allows you to engage directly with eBay's vast support network. Scroll down until you see the Contact Us option. This is your gateway to getting personal assistance. Click on it and you'll be ushered into a world where you can specify precisely what help you require. As you move forward, you will then need to select the area with which you're experiencing trouble. Here, eBay offers you a list of common issues. These range from returns, item not received, to account issues. Selecting the correct topic will not only help streamline the process, but will also ensure you receive the most accurate assistance. Take a moment to consider which option best fits your current situation. Once you've picked your specific issue, eBay will generate a tailored set of support options for you. This customization is all designed to help solve your issue as efficiently as possible. The next step involves choosing how you'd like to receive support. The platform gives you several options, each catering to different preferences and needs. If you're someone who prefers real-time assistance, you might choose to chat with an agent. This option lets you type out your questions or concerns and receive feedback almost instantaneously from a customer service representative. Alternatively, if you prefer a more personal touch, you can request a phone call. This option connects you directly with eBay support over the phone, allowing for a more nuanced discussion that can sometimes be faster than typing back and forth. Lastly, if you prefer self-service, you have the option to follow help articles. eBay's help articles are detailed guides that cover a wide range of topics and issues. They are perfect for those who prefer to resolve their issues independently and at their own pace. Remember, the goal is to get your issue resolved efficiently, so choose the method that best suits your immediate need and communication style. With these tools and tips, you'll find navigating eBay's support system a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to handle any eBay related challenges with confidence.